Hi there, welcome to In This Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to add multi-language picture in your Shopify online store. So if you wanted to spread your business different language people, and if your customer have multiple language people, then you can continue this tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how you can do this with free app, so you no need to pay anything for this. First of all, I'm going to log in my Shopify online store, then going to click on apps button, then click on visit the Shopify app store. Now I'm going to search the app that I'm going to use in this tutorials and show you. So this app name translate your shop G translate. So I'm going to search this app. So here you will see a lot of app for translate, but all of them I think recommend translate your shop G translate is best, because if you look at the review, then you can see it's get most of the review, and all the review are very positive. So I'm going to click on the title of this app, then we can know more about this app. This translate app is developed by G Translate. This is very popular translate company. They have also plugin for WordPress user. Okay, so here the review almost 1000 plus, and it's 100% free, so we no need to pay anything for this app. So you can make it translate picture in our Shopify online store very easily. So now I'm going to add this app on my store. So click on the add app button, install app, so we have installed app. Now we have to set up the picture or interface as I recommend. So wizard look nice, drop down with flag, this is very common, and translate from English, that's okay. Enable SEO and edit translate. Okay, there we cannot enable this one because it's have bad price, so I'm going to skip this one. Or to choose to browser language. Okay, if we select this one, then if your browser language is English, then it automatically translate English. Then if anyone visit from different type of language, for example someone visit your website using a browser where language selected Spanish, that will be translate automatically Spanish language. Next, show floating language selector, top right, we can change it from here, and show native language name, font size 24. Okay, from here we can select the language that we want to use or translate. So let me show you. I'm going to select Bengali, then English, French, German, Italian, Russian, Spanish. Okay, all are good. I'm going to click on the save change button. So let's check our website now. I'm going to reload my website or visit my website page. And to look at here the translate button, Bengali, English, French, German, and others language as we added. So I am going to click on the catalogs page, then select any product. For example, going to select this one. Then I wanted to change this product language, so just click on France. It has been changed, and again going to Russian. Looks, that is very useful app for your online store. So I hope you like this tutorials and click on the like button. So if these tutorials help you, then click on the subscribe button to get next helpful tips and tutorials for your online Shopify store. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.